I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You have the controller paired and enough battery. Now get into the game's race mode and enable the dash meter so you can see charge. Once the straight opens, hold full throttle to build speed and rest your thumb on the dash button, usually A or RB depending on mapping. Do this because pre-charging and placement reduce reaction time. Make sure to leave space ahead for the brief speed surge. That initial action sets the rhythm for when you actually trigger the dash. Now execute the dash at the optimal moment, on the apex exit or at the straights launch to maximize forward momentum. You'll either tap or hold the dash button depending on the game's mechanic. Watch the dash and cooldown meters so you don't waste charge. While dashing, make small steering corrections to maintain line and use slight counter brake if the car understeers. These adjustments matter because the extra speed amplifies handling quirks, so controlling the vehicle during. Finish the lap by conserving dash for the final straight or a decisive overtake. Once used, focus on stabilizing the car and managing tire grip. If the dash doesn't activate, remap the input to another button, test controller latency in settings, and restart the game before blaming hardware. Make sure to practice repeatedly in practice mode and record a few runs so you can review timing and posture. That way you'll refine when and how to use the dash reliably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.